Hey, this is Todd from Snap Fresh Farm. I'm coming back to you with another vlog, and I just wanted to kind of go over and give an update as to the growth in the new hydroponic NFT system that I set up. I've had this set up for over a month now. I've got about 5 different types of lettuce growing in it, and it's growing very prolifically. We've got 6 tubes basically set up, growing at a length of about 5 foot each, so we got about 30 feet. We've got 6 growing spaces in each one, so we've got 36 growing spaces in the NFT tubes. And the lettuce that's growing in here, I've got chard growing, I've got kale, I've got even had some broccoli growing in it, which was growing very well. Had some very big leaves. Didn't let it go to actual flowering because I don't think it would during the winter, and there's no pollination. So I cut the leaves off. We're eating the leaves just like the lettuce, and it's really good. Never had broccoli leaves before, but they're quite tasty, as are all the other leafy greens that are growing in this system. So I want to just give you an update, kind of give you a little view of what it looks like and how things are growing. So let's kick it off. As you can see, the lettuce is growing really well, and we've got different types in here. We've got some curly lettuce, we've got some kale, we've got some butter crunch, and chard is growing, all different types, and had that going for about a month now. I've been taking pretty large heads of the romaine lettuce off, so you don't see much of that in here right now, but I've been growing that for the last few weeks. That's growing well. And then down below I've got my buckets in the deep water culture hydroponics growing, and down there there's chard, there's some kale, there's a few types of lettuce, and then I've got my radishes growing. I've got radishes growing in a soil base, and those radishes are growing pretty well. And down below I've got my microgreens growing. I've got mixed salad green microgreens. We've been cutting those. This is actually the second cutting, and they've been growing back and growing very well. I've got the next growth that's going to go into the NFT system is growing in that container there. I've got some more romaine lettuce growing, and those seedlings are growing very well. So overall, the system's going well. The system is based on a 27-gallon bucket full of nutrient and water that's being pumped out and up into this cistern here that I have set up to go into the different pipes, the 6 different pipes. And the 6 pipes, the nutrient goes through the pipes, feeds the lettuce with the nutrient, and then it comes back, goes into these buckets here, and then it comes around and it comes back down again into the 27-gallon bucket here. I've got air stones in the 27-gallon bucket, as well as I have the air stones going up into aeration for these here, and that's the air stones are inside there. So that's pretty much the update. It's a short update, but I wanted to see how things were going. I also hooked up my dehumidifier. My dehumidifier is now collecting water, and that's also going straight into my 27-gallon bucket. And that's really helping. During the summer it collects a lot of water, gets up to about 3 to 4 gallons a week, and it continuously feeds that, keeps the water level up. The water goes over, then it goes out, and it gets shunted off into with a pipe that goes out of the bucket. So that's feeding more water. It's pure water going into the system. Then I put the nutrients into it, and everything grows well. So that's the update. Thank you very much, and subscribe to Snap Fresh Farm. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to go over how I built this system and any questions that you have. Have a good day. Bye.